you can see there are many different models. You can see their exterior design are all a combination of blue and yellow colors, which looks very beautiful. This excavator is very delicate and exquisite, but it contains tremendous energy. Now we can go for its engine. Its engine adopts KUBOTA engine D902, and you can see its details. It is very fuel efficient. Do you want to take it go home? Of course, it has two types of tracks. One is rubber tracks and another one is iron tracks. This one, of course, it is iron tracks, and you can choose one reasonably according to your working conditions. Most importantly, this excavator KUBOTA U17 is a tailored excavator. It is very popular in South America market. And now I have been in the cab of this excavator. You can see this is very comfortable. Welcome to visit KUBOTA excavator factory. If you want to know more about these excavators or this brand, welcome to contact me. See you next time.